Hi, it's me again, Trish Riano, and welcome back to our complete AutoCAD training course for 2D and 3D. And for our lesson 10, it is all about hatch commands. Okay, so we have this sample hatch command. So I will demonstrate the use of hatch by drawing this figure and also the command fill. What is the importance of the fill command in relation to the hatch command? Also, I will discuss the hatch edit command. Okay, so let's try this in CAD. Okay, so we will draw a comfort room with a toilet bowl in the middle. So first, this is just an assumption of the measurement. So first, we will make a rectangle. So shortcut for rectangle is REC or rec. Okay, so and then we will make another rectangle somewhere here. Okay. And then let's draw an ellipse. We use the midpoint of this side of the rectangle as the first endpoint of the axis of our ellipse. So shortcut for ellipse is EL, then enter. Okay. Okay, it's too large. Ellipse again. Okay. And then we will offset this ellipse. First, let's try the offset distance 50. Yes, because I just assumed this figure without measuring. So offset, just type O, and then let's try 50 for offset distance. Okay, so yes, yeah, okay, can work lightly. And then we can draw a line here. From this, we can copy this figure and mirror this on the other side using the mirror command. So select the object that we want to mirror and type MI for mirror. That is the command for mirror. And then, okay, we need to specify the first point of our mirror line. So for it to be equal, we can select the midpoint of this rectangle. So, and then the command line will ask you if you want to erase the object. Of course, we don't want to erase the source object. And this is the default. And enter. Okay, so now we are going to trim the edges, the unnecessary points, the excess lines. So TR for trim, then enter, and enter again, and then we will trim all the unnecessary sides. Okay, let's take a look at our figure. Okay, so we have this figure now, and after that we can draw a circle somewhere here. this is now our comfort room assumption. That's no dimension at all. We just assume the dimension. And then we will draw the hatch by entering edge. That is the shortcut for hatch. Now, so H, enter. Now the command line is asking us to pick an internal point. So let's first select this one, the angle pattern. And then let's pick up the internal point. Okay. We can see that the tiles are too small or having small scale. So for hatch edit, we have to enter HE. HE for hatch edit. Then we select the hatch object that we want to edit. Okay, and now we can select this scale and put it in a higher scale, larger scale. So for example, let's say 5. And then okay. So we can see that we have larger tiles now, but it is not large enough, so we can still edit in using the hatch edit. So HE, enter. Then select the hatch object, and then let's say 5, let's say 10. Let's use the scale 10, and then okay. So you see it became larger. So we can also change this angle. Let's say 45. So the orientation of the, okay, so to change it, we need to input the HE again, or the hatch edit, then select the hatch object, and then the angle, let's change it into 45 degrees, and then press OK. So you see the orientation of the hatch change also. So again, hatch edit, and then we select this hatch object, and let's say that the angle is 35, and then okay. Okay, so nothing happens because 35 and 45 are almost the same, no? Okay, so this is how we do the hatch. Now let's go to fill. What's the importance of fill in this command, the hatch command? So type fill in the command line. You can see that the default mode is on. So let's shift it into off. So let's type off, then enter. Okay, so we will try to erase this hatch. So E, enter, erase. And now we try to make a hatch again. So take note that the fill is already off. So H, enter for hatch. Then we select the internal point, so this one, and enter. You see nothing happens because the fill is turned off. Okay, so let's turn it on again. So fill, enter, then type on, on. Okay, so let's try the hatch again. So H, enter. Okay, so pick an internal point. Okay, so enter. So you see we have smaller scale of hatch again. Okay, so that is how we make hatch in Autocad, and also don't forget to turn on the fill when we do the hatch command. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson 10. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next lessons ahead. Thank you.